Yo, what up, guys? What's up?
What's up? We chilling. So, I'm gonna do a quick video. People are probably gonna get mad. Between the 350Z and the G37s, they both have aftermarket exhaust. Mine have a muffler delete stock cat, but a true HKS with H pipe, resonators with a white pipe also. He has a motordyne. Yep, that just sounds sick. So, finna start both of them on and rev both and see what you guys think, which one is better. And yes, this is carbon fiber. Let's go, bro. Alrighty, start that beast. Yeah, that thing sounds like a jet. Oh boy. Fire it up. Alright, so guys, what's y'all think? This one a little bit louder, but I think this one sounds more like stock
Yours
loud.
can rev way higher on that mic.
Yeah, the difference. This one doesn't rev about 4,000, 5,000?
5,000.
5,000. So this does way more pops if it's revving high RPM. This one, you could, while the car's sitting, you could rev it high.
Like
So,
almost a red line, basically.
almost, yeah, pretty much.
7,000, 8,000.
I wish we could adjust. Probably we could work on this and adjust the RPM on this one so we could rev higher.
Maybe when you tune it.
When we tune it, yep. So this one does modify, have a lot of stuff. So what you guys think? Let me know. Thanks for watching.